Hey, first grade, we're going to take a little break from reading about bird helpers today to go over something called a simple sentence and a compound sentence. So at the end of this lesson, your job is going to be to create and send to me a compound sentence. So our target today is I can create a compound sentence. Okay, so before we talk about a compound sentence, we're first going to talk about a simple sentence. A simple sentence has a who or a what and then their action. What does that who or what do? So for example, the who is the students. This is the subject. The students are learning. Learning is the action. Okay, so a simple sentence has the subject and the action. So again, in this sentence, the lion is walking. The lion is the subject, that's the who. And walking is the action. Okay, so a subject plus an action is a simple sentence. Here's one more. Okay, the peacock is showing off. So take a quick second. I want you to identify what is our subject and what is the action. In the sentence, the peacock is showing off. So think about the subject and the action. So in this simple sentence, the peacock is the subject and showing off is the action. And we know that this is a simple sentence because it has a subject and an action. Okay, let's talk about a compound sentence. So a compound sentence is two or more simple sentences. So they use these pictures of chains. This is simple sentence number 1. This one is simple sentence number 2. And the thing that connects them is called a conjunction. So simple sentence 1 gets connected to simple sentence 2 through a conjunction. So here's some examples of a conjunction. The word because is a conjunction. This is a linking word. And is a conjunction or a linking word. And so is a conjunction or a linking word. There are more than just 3 conjunctions, but we're just going to talk about these 3 today. So if I wanted to create a compound sentence, I'm going to take 2 simple sentences and connect them with a conjunction. So here's an example. Here's one simple sentence. We're going to call this simple sentence 1 and simple sentence 2. So simple sentence 1, the penguins are swimming. I know that this is a simple sentence because there is a subject and an action. And there is no linking word. There is no conjunction. The subject and the action are all that we see. Simple sentence number 2, the penguins find food in water. So again, there's no conjunction, there's no linking word. There is just a subject, the penguins, and the action, find. There's nothing that makes this compound because there's no conjunction there. There's just a subject and an action. If we wanted to make these 2 simple sentences a compound sentence, we would need to add one of these conjunctions. So the example that they used is because. The penguins are swimming because they find food in water. So we still have a subject, the penguins. We have an action, swimming. We have our conjunction, because. And we have another action, find. This makes a compound sentence when our subject and action are linked with a conjunction to another action. So Miss Ackerman has an example. I have two simple sentences here. I am chasing after the ice cream truck. I want to buy some ice cream. So these are two simple sentences. I is the subject, chasing and want are the actions, but I'm getting close to being a second grader and I don't want to write everything in simple sentences. I want to start to use conjunctions like a second grader does and make a compound sentence. So I've used the conjunction because to link my simple sentences. So now my compound sentence says, I am chasing after the ice cream truck because I want to buy some ice cream. So I've gone from two simple sentences and I've linked them together in one compound sentence using the word because. This conjunction is what I use to link my simple sentences together to create one compound sentence. Okay? So your job is to create, going back to our learning target, is to create a compound sentence for yourself using the words and, so, or because. Remember, we call these conjunctions. So you're going to create a compound sentence using a conjunction, and, so, or because. You can put it in Dojo as a text, or you can write it on a piece of paper or whiteboard and snap a picture and send it to me. But remember your goal. You're creating a compound sentence, and in order to do that, you have to include one of these conjunctions. Get those uploaded to Dojo. I'll check them out and give you guys some feedback. See you soon.